Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. I'm Ria.
And I'm Anusha.
We are going to present about our startup idea that is Mask Up. Firstly, we all know what a face mask is and we all know its importance, especially due to the pandemic. But face masks have always been important, especially for health workers and laborers who are working in factories or for scientists or any other kind of profession. Face mask is an important part of their protective gear. But due to the COVID 19 pandemic, the demand for face masks have tremendously increased. So that's how face masks have become an important part of our day to day lives, and it helps in protecting us from the coronavirus. The reason why we talked about face masks is because our company MaskUp's vision is to provide comfortable, stylish, high quality, and pocket friendly face masks to cater to the needs of people in the professional front or for hygiene purposes. And we will be looking into this in the upcoming slides. The main objective of our company is to manufacture and supply a wide variety of face masks without compromising on the quality of it, and to make sure that they're affordable as well, and also to cater to the needs of the general public as well as the professionals such as health workers, lab technicians, pathologists, scientists, etc. When we say that we provide customized masks at an affordable price, we also make sure that the quality is not compromised at all. So, what our company does is that our company manufactures and supplies a wide variety of high quality face masks, ranging from N95 masks to multi layered cloth masks or surgical masks at affordable prices. Customers can also customize their masks by providing details such as color or the image of the designs to be printed on the mask or the logo of a particular organization or anything of that sort. Also, we make sure that the masks are customized with the help of skin friendly dyes because customization involves coloring of the masks or maybe printing something on the mask, but we make sure that they're all done with the help of skin friendly dyes, and we also make sure that our masks are of good quality and at the same time it is skin friendly and affordable as well. So, who are our target audience? So, here on the screen, you can see a small list wherein we have listed out common people, health workers, lab technicians, pathologists, scientists, etc. But this list can go on. So, especially during this current situation where every single person needs a mask in order to protect themselves from the virus, we are trying to cater to the needs of almost everyone, people of any age category or any profession, no matter what, they need masks. So we are trying to cater to the needs of all people. So when it comes to common people, especially during the current times, they will have to buy the mask for themselves or their family members. Apart from that, the other professionals like health workers, lab technicians, pathologists, scientists, etc., have always been using the face mask in their work environment. But apart from this, other examples may include certain organizations who are planning to give masks to their employees with a logo printed on it. So there they can customize it and then they can give it to their employees. So these are just few examples, or maybe an NGO who's planning to provide free masks to people who are in need. So these are just few examples of the target audience that we are aiming at. So as I already mentioned, we are not just aiming at only a certain group. We are planning to cater to the needs of almost everyone. So in this slide, you can see the organizational structure of our company. So we have a director under whom we have the general manager. The general manager takes care of the four departments, that is operations, production department, marketing and sales, and finance. And they all have their own heads respectively. So the operations department is for quality management and quality assurance. So production department is for designing and sketching and product designs. And then marketing and sales, of course, for brand advertising and brand analysis. Then finance. So firstly, the product gets manufactured based on how the user has ordered it to be, and then then its quality is being tested, and finally it's marketed. So this is the pricing strategy that we have right now. So the products that we'll be manufacturing are N95 masks, surgical masks, multi-layered cloth masks, and W95 reusable outdoor respirators. So when it comes to N95 masks, there'll be 10 N95 masks in a pack. So this is just tentative numbers. You can always order in bulk, or the customers will be able to change this net quantity per pack, but this is just the estimated one right now, the one which will be most commonly ordered by people. So here, without customization, this is going to cost around 150 rupees. Here again, without customization may refer to the fact that people will not be able to put in any prints or anything of that sort, but they can always choose between certain colors. Again, all colors may not be available when it comes to without customization. Just few basic colors like N95 masks are usually available as white colored, so maybe they can white, or sometimes it is available as yellow also, or light pale blue. So they can choose among these basic colors, that's all. But when it comes to with customization kind of N95 masks, then again they can customize it according to their needs. They can provide the color, the type of prints that they want, etc. So that is going to cost them around 200 rupees. Then the surgical masks, again it is going to be around 50 pieces per pack. So without customization, it is going to cost them around 350 rupees. Again, the colors that might be available are probably white and pale blue, because those are the basic colors that are available. Apart from that, you can go for customization as well. So if you want it to be customized, then it will be around 400 rupees. Then multi-layered cloth masks. So there'll be around 10 multi-layered cloth masks per pack, and without customization this may cost around 300 rupees, while with customization this may cost around 400 rupees. Coming to the W95 reusable outdoor respirator, so these kind of masks are available in the form of only one per pack, but again, as I already said, the customers can change this, but this is just the in general kind of quantity that we've mentioned over here. And without customization this will cost around 80 rupees, and with customization this may cost around 100 rupees. So when it comes to competition with other companies, so what happens here is that there are a lot of companies which have started mask manufacturing recently, especially during the pandemic times. So there are certain companies which cater to the needs of customers when they want customized masks, but they are specialized only in the making of customized masks also. There are companies like Mad Mask, etc., who are known to manufacture customized masks for the customers, but these masks are very expensive. And there are many other companies like Wildcraft, etc., who may manufacture masks of really good quality, but they don't offer much customization. And there are many companies which manufacture masks, very well known ones, but they only stick to only one variety of masks. They don't manufacture a wide variety of masks. Since we provide a wide variety of masks with customization at affordable prices, customers would be happy with our product. So next we'll be looking at how we can reach out to the customers.
An unexpected effect of the pandemic is that it has made advertising more important and even more interesting. Businesses are looking for new marketing strategies, and masks are being seen as more than just face protectors. Fashion retailers have turned them into accessories, while businesses can use them as branding tools. So we allow the businesses to place their logo on our customizable mask, promoting brand advertising and also raise funds for our company. To gain popularity, social media engagement and virality is very essential for any new business. For the initial publicity of our company, we can start out a campaign in partnership with the businesses who would like to advertise on our face mask. And in the campaign, we encourage the people to upload a video on mask awareness with hashtag #MaskUp. And all our social media brand ambassadors will be rewarded with 10 free masks which contain ads, thereby promoting the brand business and also helps to gain popularity. Hospitals and lab technicians order masks in bulk. A 20% discount is offered on all the surgical grade masks for the healthcare workers. We can introduce a combo offer for our online customers wherein they get free kids mask on a purchase of 20 surgical or cotton masks.
So we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you. Here's a small ad of our company.